in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Going through the gate cans. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And squeeze and send. Start to send the finish. Body swing. Body swing. Send. 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 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2. Equal first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just start to squeeze on a little bit. 1, 2, 3. That's good. 2, 3. 1, 2. Good. 50 meters to turn. You're half a boat length in front. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 10 to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set the turn. Turn. 1, 2. Take it away. 1. On the legs. 2. On the legs. 3. There we go. 4. 1, 2, 3. Send the finish. Squeeze and send. Using the arms now. Squeeze and send. Squeeze and send. Squeeze and send. Both legs in front. Squeeze and send. Squeeze. Send. That's it. Good body swing. Body swing. 2, 3, 4. Good girls. Send. 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 Little skate. And send. 2. Nice. 3. Your 2 boat legs in front. 2. 150 meters to go. 2, 3, 4. Squeeze. That's it. Get the catch. Body swing. Body swing. Body swing. Body swing. Body swing. Body swing. Little skate in now. Running. 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 Still running on still skater here. Still on it. Still on it. Still on it. Going through the gates now. Going through the gates. Going to 3 boat lengths in front. 3 boat lengths. 3, 4 boat lengths. Skater now. Here's a skate. Skating now. Skating now. Skating now. Squeeze. 5 to go. 4 to go. 3 to go. 2 to go. Let her run. Well done. Hose across. And out.